Tutorial for my Paperplane bat style. Grab a 4-size paper and let's start folding. A 4-size paper. Step 1. Step 2. Turn. Step 3. Step 4. Turn. Step 5. Step 6. Turn. Step 7. Open. Step 8. Step 9. Step 10. Step number 11. Turn. Step number 12. Step 13. Step 14. Turn. Step 15. Now enjoy your Paperplane. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.